We're going to get into an exercise that's centered around values. So does everybody have a sheet of paper and a pen? Okay, so there's the beginning instructions. So just draw a couple lines so that you have 3 columns on the piece of paper. The first column is going to be values that are most important. Second is somewhat, and the third is least important. And I'm going to read out a list of words, and you'll have to write really quickly. There's not going to be a whole lot of time to kind of like think about what column it goes into. Just follow your instinct and write this word in the column that it falls for you. Okay, awesome. You can take the slide down. We don't really need that. So I'm going to start reading the words right quick. Follow your heart. First one, honesty, equality, dependability, patience, connection, service to others, safety, mindfulness, perfection, self-control, challenge, friendliness, cooperation, efficiency, gratitude, sexuality, intimacy, open-mindedness, self-care, compassion, creativity, beauty, responsible, commitment, romance, curiosity, humor, sensuality, perseverance, power, spirituality, flexibility, humility, authenticity, caring, assertiveness, trust, love, independence, we're almost there, contribution, how are your hands cramping? Forgiveness, loyalty, reliability, kindness, pleasure, generosity, fun, passion, respect, freedom, courage, order. Home stretch, guys. Conformity. Acceptance. Reciprocity. Excitement. Encouragement. All right, last three. Positivity. Fairness. And optimism. Okay, so you've got your 3 columns, most, kind of, and least. So in your column of most important, I want you to underline the top 10 values.
Uh-oh, I ran out of room, so I went back to the top and started filling in.
You're good. Underline the top 10 in the, as long as they're in the right column.
10.
Oh,
Your top
for me,
10.
Copy.
Yeah,
Hey,
the top 10 that you put in your most important column, as many as you could with the amount of time that you had to
Your
write.
top 10, not the top 10 that appeared.
Yeah, not spatially 10. What's most important to you?
Your top 10.
Got it.
He didn't get it, so I'm just explaining.
I totally didn't get it.
It's okay. And so once you have the top 10 underlined, let me just look up so I know you're complete. Just in the first column of most important values, underline your top 10.
It's the game, right?
It's a game that doesn't give you too much time to overthink.
Yeah, I get it. I get it. I love it.
Like, give you like 15 more seconds to get those underlined.
I wonder how many of ours are going to cross.
Yeah, we'll find out.
He hid it from me.
All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now of the top 10 that you underlined, circle your top 5.
I'm complaining.
Meh. This is hard. I don't want to work on things that I care about. Circle your top 5. And when you're complete, you can look up, and that way, yeah, we'll know that you're ready to move on.
Got it.
Oh my gosh, Roland typed out every single one. I could have copy pasted it for you, love.
Wow, very impressive. Thank
Very
you.
impressive. Very fast.
Applauso.
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 Applauso.